TouchNet is one of the leading providers of commerce and credential solutions for colleges and universities around the world. And now, you can use it for paid events in Blackthorn Events. In order to use TouchNet in conjunction with Blackthorn Events, you'll need a dedicated TouchNet UPay site connected to Blackthorn. In addition, you'll need to add TouchNet as a payment provider, as well as add some custom fields to the payment gateway object. Don't worry though, our documentation will walk you through this entire setup process step by step, and you can find it linked directly in the description of this video. Now let's use TouchNet to check out for an event. The event registration process is exactly the same as any other event in Blackthorn Events. Once the guest hits complete, they'll be redirected to the TouchNet payment page where they can fill out their information and complete the paid registration. If we head over to the TouchNet side of things, we can see that this payment has appeared in the Blackthorn UPay site and been processed. And finally, your newly registered attendee will also receive an email receipt from TouchNet. Want to learn more about our TouchNet integration and Blackthorn Events as a whole? Install a free trial from the App Exchange, or head over to our website at blackthorn.io.